So dear students, let's do this exercise. Study the examples below and convert the following statement into interrogative. So what are examples? First is I am fat. Interrogative of this will be am I fat? Second is she can help me. Can she help me? Third is she has completed her work. Has she completed her work? So let's start this exercise. What is our first sentence? Our first sentence is the road is narrow and bumpy. So when we will make it interrogative, is will come first. Then subject the road, after that narrow and bumpy. So what will be sentence? Is the road narrow and bumpy? And in last question mark. Now come on second. What is our second? She will be rewarded by the principal. So in this sentence what is our helping verb? Will be. And main verb rewarded. So will को आप स्टार्टिंग में लेके जाओगे. will उसके बाद क्या करोगे? will then subject C then be rewarded by the principal. Will she be rewarded by the principal? And in last question mark. Our third is Sania has written the letter. So what is our helping verb here? Helping verb has and main verb written. So what will come first? Helping verb na? So what will be our sentence? Has Sania written the letter? And in last question mark. Now come on fourth. The dog is barking. So what is our helping verb here? Is. So what will be our sentence? Is the dog barking? And in last question mark. Our fifth is Mahesh is an honest man. So what will be our interrogative sentence? Is Mahesh an honest man? And in last question mark. Six is the questions are difficult. So what will be our sentence? Are the question difficult? And the last question mark. Seventh is the river was deep. So what is our helping verb here? Was. Then subject the river, then deep. Was the river deep? And in last question mark. Clear? Now come on next. Eighth. The little child is sleeping. What is our helping verb here? Is. And main verb sleeping. So what will be our sentence? Is. What will be our sentence? Is the little child sleeping? And in last question mark. Now come on ninth. Anamika is writing neatly. What is our helping verb here? Is. So is will come first before the subject and main verb will come after the subject. And in last question mark. So what will your sentence? Is Anamika writing neatly? And in last question mark. 10th is we can stand here. What is our helping verb here? Can. Main verb stand. So what will be our sentence? Can we stand here? And in last question mark. Now come on 11th. Is it sunny today? Sorry, it is sunny today. So what will be our sentence? What will be our interrogative sentence? Is it sunny today? And in last question mark. Now come on 12th. What is our 12th? Simran was speaking the truth. So what is our helping verb here? Was. And main verb? Speaking. So what will come first before the subject? Helping verb na? Was. Then subject Simran. Then what will be? Simran. Speaking the truth. Was Simran speaking the truth? And in last question, Mark. Now come on 13th. The school is far from here. What will be interrogative? Is the school far from here? And in last question, Mark. Now come on 14th. Mother will make snacks for me. So how you will make it an interrogative sentence? Firstly, what is our helping verb here? Will. After that, subject mother. Then helping main verb make snacks for me. And in last, question mark. Clear? So what will be our sentence? Will mother make snacks for me? Now come on 15th. What is our 15th? She has made chocolates for me. What will be negative of this? Has she made chocolates for me? And the last question mark. So what will your sentence? Has she made chocolates for me? So dear students, now we have completed our exercise. If there is any doubt, you can write in comment box. Okay, this is your exercise. Do it in your book if you are having, and if you are not having, do it in practice notebook. Okay student, thank you.